Welcome to the Basic 2Test walkthrough and navigation. When we open 2Test, we see the department screen. As administrators, we can add a new department. For this demo, we'll use the demo department to show what it already contains. Inside this department, we find different projects. We can add a new project for this demo, and after you click Apply, you have the new project. We will use the demo project since it already has some tests. Each project is separate in terms of its test cases. Test cases made for a new project are not shared with the other projects, but we can copy test cases and other settings between projects. Now, let's go to the demo project. Inside the demo project, we see the main navigation of 2Test. Here we have tabs for release and data quality, the test library where our tests are stored, and test sets. This is where we add tests to create groups for execution. We also find our connections to different databases or data sources, and parameters, which we'll talk about later. We can add environments and databases, which are just names of databases in our project. The Release and DQ tab is where we handle most test runs and scheduling. If we click the Add button, we see a new screen. Here, we give our project a name and set a start and end date. When we click Apply, our release is automatically added to the project. At the top of the screen, we see the start and end dates and the remaining time. We also see the test plan for this release and any reports, which are empty until tests are run. If we go back to the Project tab, we see that the data quality release, which is always present, has no start or end date. This is because the data quality release works as a regression test suite and runs all the time.